Hey, this is Nick with WIKD Motorsports. On behalf of me and all the crew here at WIKD Motorsports, we'd like to wish you a happy holidays. Now let's get to the video.
How's it going, guys? My name is Chase with WIKD Motorsports, and today we're going to be installing a different exhaust on the 720S. Now, in one of our recent videos, we unveiled a brand new line of exhaust, and we installed our new titanium exhaust on our WIKD 720S. However, that one was for display purposes at PRI, so now the permanent exhaust is going to be going on there. It's a little bit different color. That's really the only difference. So we are going to go ahead and install that, but before, we're going to unbox it and open it up and have a look. Let's start with the big one. What's up? We are a functional shop, and so every so often, one of the shop guys will come in here, but then they'll see us filming and like just slowly back away. Boxception, cool. In today's video, we're unboxing a box, and then we're unboxing an exhaust. Ooh. Oh, these look cool. I cut this in the dumbest way possible, so. Oh, dude, look at that. Hell yeah. So it's kind of got a satin black finish to it. There we go. Box can go away. Look at this. Actually, this is cool. This is a little bit different than the first one that we put on there. So this has the WIKD logo on the two pipes instead of like right there in the center plate. So I'm gonna set this here. Let's go ahead and open these tips up, see what they look like. Oh, nope, that's not an exhaust tip. I lied. Aha. Oh. Heck yeah. Oh, look at that. That looks awesome. That looks so cool.
Really like.
Yeah, I actually really like this. So I got exhaust clamps, all that stuff here. Coupler, reducer, whatever you want to call it. But over here, we've got the down pipes. There you go. Unwrapped. The aggressive packaging is a little bit annoying when you're trying to open it, but we also want to ensure that nothing gets damaged on its way to you guys. Ah, yes. Look at the welds on the inside here. This is cool. And has our logo laser engraved on it, so. Okay, let's cut this guy open. Dude, I'm gonna be so good at cutting tape. Ah, yes. And there it is. These things just look so good. Well, now that everything's unboxed, let's go ahead and let's get them on the car.